Okay, we are going to take our Mission and Motion Tools wireframe that we made from the previous video. We're going to put it into a Kajabi sales page. I already have a sales page that I like. I like the format, so I am going to duplicate it, and then I will start to edit it. The first thing I probably want to do is go to details. So I click the three dots, edit details. I'm going to change this to, I'm going to call it Mission in Motion Tools, or Mission in Motion Tools. And we're going to change this to Mission in Motion Tools. All right, I'm going to move it into the draft. I need to replace the picture. The page title is Mission Motion Tools. And I need a SEO page description. I need a short SEO page description for Mission in Motion Tools. And eventually I would probably replace this with some actual SEO research, but that's what we got for now. Do I want to make that now? Not really, but I will. I'll go into Canva and I will find, where is it? It's not that. This? Yes. Okay. So we are going to, this looks not the right size. Huh. Right. So, Control X, Control V. We're going to change this to the color of eyedropper, this color. No, you are white. White. Okay, now we're going to find a tool, Mission in Motion. I wonder what they will come up with. Videos. No. I like, I'm just trying to find something that means like it is moving to the next level. Oh, it's too on the nose. Oh, look at that. Tools. Line tools. Not liking much of this. Doesn't mean anything. I like progress bar better. This is why I didn't want to do the picture first. Because I get stuck. Still feel stuck. This isn't even the most important part of the page. All sorts of things that we can work on later. Here I am spending 20 minutes picking an image. Baby loading. I bet AI is going to cut most of this out because I'm not talking. See, the idea is you're doing something like success loading or taking the next step. Why isn't this replacing the background? I don't like it. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Now, why isn't it snapping to the background? That's bizarre. Did I do? Okay, now it's working again. See, this is where the first one I chose is probably good enough. And I am spending way too much time noodling over what is going to be a 5% improvement. Now I'm going to make it black and white like the other one. Go to filters and then down at the bottom, slate. It's not quite black and white, but it's good enough. Okay, now, okay, it is correct. All right, now why were you, why, did I make that like that? Okay. Share, download. We just want a JPEG. We want current page. Done. Download. Now I'm going to go to image resizer. Image resizer. I think this is the one, but I'm not 100% sure. From device. Oh no. 97 kilobytes. Want it to target file size 60 kilobyte. Download. Okay. Back to here. Replace image. Upload a new file. My device. Interesting. Save. Upload. Save. Okay. All right. So, wow, that took way too long. Let's go back to the landing pages. And I have a page that I like, so I copied it. I'm going to click it. And now we're going to take our copy and just copy and paste it in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the copy on a separate menu. Put this here. Grab the headline. Control C. Click that. And then Control V. Oof. So it did not copy the format. Control Shift V. Nope. Let's make it white. For therapists and helping professionals who know they're meant to build something more. It still seems vague. Ooh. Well, let's see what the subheader does for us. Maybe that explains it. Make it. You already have experience in site. See, it's already too long. Ugh. All right. Well, I'll have to refine it, but I'm just gonna get the words in. I already have experience in site and something valuable to offer. Mission Motion Tools helps you turn that into. I think these should be flipped. All right. Well, we are going to. We'll come back to that. I wonder if it's a little wordy. All right. Headline. Control V. It's bolded. And we want to, as another day, to be the text that we, okay. Body, Control copy, let's grab this, Control V. Ooh, why was that? Why did it do that? Header 3, okay. And it's white. Why is it white? You don't know. Change the text color. So long. Let's shorten it. You already have the experience, insight, and desire to build something that could serve people beyond to build something. It's too many words. You already know this. You already know this. This and something. I already, that's what I was trying to say in the other video. This and something. It's probably my fault. I wasn't clear enough. You already know your work. Work helps You have the experience, insight, and the desire to build a tool. That's still vague. What is a meaningful tool? Oof. All right, you already have the experience, insight, and desire to build a meaningful tool. Serves people beyond the therapy room, beyond, and let's shorten that, beyond a one on one session. So yeah, you already know your work helps people. You have the experience, insight, and desire to build a tool that serves people beyond a one-on-one session. But delays, but what? But the work keeps getting stalled, delayed, or pushed aside. Wow. Sometimes Kajabi's text is just spaghetti code. Like, why did it, when I selected the words that I wanted to do, why did it do what it did? Okay. So what I'm probably going to do here is add another text box because this text box was not cooperating. Okay. This is probably going to go away. That call to action, we are going to hide it. Okay. Now, actually, we're going to delete it. Why did I delete it? Because every piece of code on the page takes time to execute. So the least amount of code that is there, the better. I'm just going to shorten this. Too many words. You already know your work helps. The experience, insight, and desire to build a tool that serves people beyond one-to-one sessions, but the work to bring your ideas to life keep getting stalled, delayed, or pushed aside. All right, so then I'm going to take this out. Oof. Heading 2, please. Paragraph. Then list. Control X. What I'm trying to do here is describe the problem. Just another week, another week, another week. Control V. Center the text. And still too much text. I'm going to have to take care of that. Okay. All right. Here's how this fear shows up. Now, here's how the heaviness shows up. Heaviness shows up in your life. I just made them caps because everything else is caps. So let's make the heaviness blue and bold. Okay. Now we need to get rid of this. Oh, wrong one. And we're going to add a card. We're going to say confusion. Confusion. And then we're going to paste this into here. Control Shift V. Oh, so many words. Why so many words? Because you made all the words, James. You put the words there. And then the call to action is show me the clarity tools. Make it blue. And the border are solid. And the radius is 50. All right. Is there a way to make that in centered? I don't see a way to make it centered. Okay. So we're going to rename this card Clarity Tools. All right. Then we're going to add a block. We're going to add a card. We're going to call this what's the opposite of connection? Make this bullet. I'm going to hit the delete button and enter. Disconnection. Isolate, alone. Disconnected, I guess. Disconnected. I hope that's spelled right. Okay. Disconnected. Show me. Show me or me? Show me the connection. All right. Make it blue. Round off the radius to 50. Make it solid. All right. We're going to go to desktop layout and we're going to make it on its own row. There we go. And then we're going to do a back and then we're going to rename this card. Name connection tools. And then we're going to add a block. We're going to add one more block. It's going to be another card. And we're going to call this what's lack of confidence? Fear. Going to make this bullet point. Fear, imposter syndrome, fear. Confusion, disconnected, and fear. Okay. And then we are going to make this blue and solid and show me the confidence tools. And then 50. Okay. Save. Now, this is what I like about Kajabi and Adobe Express. It's integrated. It's not integrated with Canva, and that's one of the reasons why I had a subscription with Adobe for a couple years. I could get all their stock media and stuff. But today we're just going to use this. So clarity, so foggy. We can do better. Maybe foggy road. Oh, you know what? I think we need the opposite. Because if we want people to see, that's good. We want people to see the positive on this, I think. You can hear my cat in the background. Misty. All right, confusion, disconnected. So we'll click here, select image, start from Adobe stock. So we want connected. I'd rather see people connect. I don't know what I like here. Someday I have full premium access still, but I did turn that off. So I don't know if that's going to impact this too much in the future as I create these. Right, looks good. Hit save, hit save. What? Something went wrong. Connection people. I like that picture. Will I be able to find it again? Well, that's the one. Just dragging it to its. I think that's about what I had. Save. Okay. And then, don't want a video. Smiling woman or smiling man? I think the last picture was a smiling woman. So let's get a smiling man. That's not bad. It's not bad. Oh, smiling people. They look a little young. Smiling smiley face. I like the blue background. That's not terrible. None of these are terrible. Sure. He will be our smiling man. He might not be our smiling man because he might not fit. All right, add. Nope. Save. Save. I hope this makes sense. Here's how the heaviness shows up. Confusion, disconnection. That bold? All right. Oh no. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Confidence grows when you have the support. Present. You have the support. And let's see if this. There we go. All right. All in the same line. And accountability to keep moving forward. Okay. Next section. What you walk away with. Some blue. Actually use. All right. I don't know if I like that, but we'll leave it for now. Control C. Delete. Control V. I have to clean this up. Hopefully these are all solutions to problems that they have. Okay. Why is this so far away from that? I think it's desktop layout. Oh, wow. Interesting. Didn't like that. Heading 4. Okay. Just cleaning up the language a little. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So, okay. I need to add a block. Text. Kill this. And put in the closing line. Make it, use it, and move forward. It's line center. Okay. Make, use, improve, build, develop, design, deploy, develop. I have the 3D method, but let's just use this for now. Oops. Make it, use it, improve it. Trying to. All right. Clarity tools, connection tools. Okay. So now we're into the tools sections. I'm just trying to figure out what is the best way to build this next tool. So add block, add section. Just wondering what's the best way to do this. Offer. That offer section is not showing up when I add it. Okay. Okay. This is how we would do that. So we have clarity tools and then offer. You would click, select the offer, pause playbook. And then the next one we would have confident course creator. And then we would have course idea to paycheck workshop. And I suppose we could add more. I think I'd like this, although the text is kind of big. These make sense to put them here. All right. I'm going to stop for now. I think have some of what I want. I have a lot left to go. That is me building a sales page in Kajabi.